Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, we're going to be doing common entrance preparation questions. If you're getting ready to write entrance into year 7, this video is for you. Our first question today is express 3/8 as a decimal figure. This is converting fractions into decimal. The method we're going to be using today is long division method. To convert decimals to fraction, we do the long division sign. The numerator is inside and the denominator is outside. You ask yourself, how many 8s can I get in 3? Definitely not. Nothing. You put a 0 point. This decimal gives you the authority to add as many zeros as you wish. Then you take the two numbers together. 30 divided by 8 means how many 8s can I get in 30? And that's 3. 3 times 8 is 24. You subtract. 30 minus 24 is 6. Now you bring down, you ask yourself, how many 8s can I get in 60? Meaning 16 divided by 8, and that's 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. You subtract. 60 minus 56 is 4. Then you bring down the next 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Now you do 5 times 8 is 40. Then you subtract. 40 minus 40 is 0. Once you get to 0, 0, you're done. But if there was a remainder, you'd have added more 0 and keep bringing it down. But now that we're at 0, 0, we are absolutely done. So 3/8 is same as 0.375. Here's our second question. It says, find the value of 6 times 4 divided by 2 minus 8. Remember, when you have more than one basic operation in math, you do bid mass. Brackets. There are no brackets in these indices. There are no indices in our sum. Division. Yes, there is. So you divide first. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Minus 8 times 6. So we have done this 2 first. Now multiplication. We multiply. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 8. Addition is next. There are no addition, so we can subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4. Our final answer is 4. Here is our third question. And the third question says, find the cost of 2.5 dozens of tins of milk at $20.50 each. Now, once you see a question like this, you ask yourself, am I multiplying, adding, dividing, or subtracting? And how do you know that you're supposed to multiply or divide? In this case, one price is given to you and you're asked to find many. If one is given and you're asked to find many, you multiply. If many is given and you're asked to find one, you divide. So in this case, we're going to be multiplying. But first, we must know the 1 dozen is 12 pieces. 2.5 dozens will be 12 times 2. 12 times 2, which is 24. That's 2 dozens. Then half of 12 is 6. I need to add these two together to give me 30 teens. So I know the cost of 1. I'm asked to find the cost of 30 teens. So I'll multiply. 30 times $20.5. Let's do a quick short multiplication. Ignore the decimal point and add it later when you're done. So there's one decimal point, but I'm going to ignore it for now. I'll do 205